Hello everyone, welcome here. In this section, you will learn how to generate incredible graphic art with Dall E2. Yes, it's a super easy. You can greatly create your pictures and images and graphic. So this particular lecture, I would like to introduction about how to approach and how to access Dall E2 services from ChatGPT product. Let's go to Google. Very simply, just hit very particularly Google ChatGPT and hit enter. So introduction of ChatGPT link here, it will be displayed. Now here what you need to approach for accessing of Dall E2, here in the products, click on products. Yes, and yes, Dall E2. Click the link. Wow. So Dall E2 is an AI system that can create realistic images and art from description in natural language. So any query you may ask to the text, I want a horse in a garden. If you can ask, it will create a horse image for you and it will give you as an image. Really, is it possible this artificial intelligence system will produce an image for you? Why don't you try today? Yes, next lecture we'll see how to create a 3D image graphic design. Yes, for that, how to access? Try Dall E. Yeah, labs.openai.com, and here to access this particular Dall E, you need to enable your account. If you are already registered with the ChatGPT using that email, access of authorized Dall E to access this environment, then you can access like a 15 free credits will be there for you to access this particular Dall E. Yes, and now see here it will ask like an AI impression or painting of a sunflowers in a purple verse, it's asking. If you are, or else what you need to do, something if you want to create an image, you scroll down all the images. If you write something, a photo of write something, whatever it, monster standing in a purple room if you want, or any green color room with a monster you want to stand, you want to create. Yes, you can ask a ChatGPT to do a query of your requirement. It will create an image for you. Yes, and see for this, what is the message? 3D render of a cute tropical fish in aquarium on a dark blue background of digital art. It is created. And you want to make sure to prepare like any of what we can say that oil paints, computers, and let's see any toy or robot you will require. A cartoon of monkey in a space, a cartoon of monkey. Yes, in the next lecture I'll show you how to ask a query and how to write such a particular these images and graphics. See here we need to type something here, a query and generate. That's it. Then immediately I'll show you in the next lecture. Thank you.